Welcome back, Michael here. Finally getting into some easy grade 10 or 11 geometry proofs, and I'm not really proving them, I'm just using the examples of Rhino just to do it, Grasshopper 2. So what I have here is a pretty simple script that in the end is really the angle side angle theorem. So if you have two triangles, and we take a look at these, I'll have to just leave my turntable off to do anything. If you take a look down on these triangles, which is kind of nice, I've just got a little range to start and stop them, which is kind of nice to make these fins and end them. You can leave them pretty long, pretty high. If you put them to 0, they'll default. So they're a nice little structure. Now what's happening with these on the top view is we can go into here and take the visuals, which aren't metas, they're just, I'm going to take off the visuals so you can see what's happening here. Because we're basically just building triangles. Proposition 26, is that what it is? 26? Yeah, I call it 26b when I pull things into 3 dimensions. I go that way. And if I just turn the circles back on, you'll see exactly what's generating them. And if I take those ranges off, which can be nice, and just go to the full, you'll see exactly what's happening. Ranges is a nice tool just to make things kind of iterative and playful. So what we have is we have a triangle that you can change the scale. I'm just going to make it a little lower than 1. So we have one triangle here and one triangle here. And as I change the, actually that's not hooked up because the range isn't hooked up. The other one is here. So I can kind of play off of where I'm evaluating the curves from. But you'll see there's vectors on here. What I'm doing was I'm trying to get a side equal length and 2 angles equal. So it can either be this side and this side. 2 sides are going to be fine. But what I end up doing is just playing with vectors to kind of render these out, find the angles within them, so I can go in and I can draw these lines between them, so you can see what's happening, and I can get the lengths of those because I want to use the angle here, and the length here. So those are 3 things. I have a angle, length, and then if I build another triangle completely, which is basically what I'm doing, you can see that by building another system exactly but just over 1, I can borrow the angle and the side length to prove the angle side angle actually works. So in the end, this circle will mimic the other one just because we've grabbed 2 angles and a side. So it's not much of a script, but it is kind of fun when you end up playing with these and taking the when you pull these out, you throw them into the range. That's kind of fun, and then you just need to make it go to a range, and then you can play off of that and have these. And what I am doing, just for fun, I'll show here, is in the Z, you can get these nice geometries, one running up and one running down. You build these really nice geometric curves, and then you can always go back in and turn your visuals back on. I think if you want to get this running again, you have to hit it in the middle and get the enable on. There's the color. There's the other color. And we can go in here and pull this one. Once again, you can do these with metas, but I found a lot of crashing still on metas, so I'm not doing that in Grasshopper 2. And that's it. Pretty simple. Angle, side to inform. I should pull these down here. Angle, and a length. And that should give us 2 similar triangles, and actually equal triangles. All right, thanks for watching.